Ever wonder why millions of kids across the globe are so sure a man in a red suit visits them every year? It goes deeper than presents. It's about how our brains are wired. From the moment we can listen, we hear the same story from our parents, books, and movies. That repetition forges belief. When an entire society agrees on a story, a child's mind stops questioning it. Santa also becomes a child's first lesson in consequences. Good behavior brings gifts. He makes abstract ideas like kindness tangible. And even when we grow up, the belief doesn't just disappear, it transforms. We may stop believing in the person, but we hold on to what he represents: hope, generosity, a shared imagination. Santa isn't just a myth. He's powerful proof that stories, not sleighs, are what truly shape the human mind.